For the first time, made in Bangladesh drones are set to take to the country's skies. In a move to strengthen Bangladesh's defense capabilities, a state-of-the-art drone manufacturing facility will be established in Bogora through a joint initiative with Turkey. At the same time, the country's northern region will see the construction of the Bangladesh Air Force's first fully operational airbase, along with an international airport. Centered around Bogora, these developments are expected to bring a major transformation to the nation's air defense infrastructure. Speaking at a dialogue held at the Secretariat on Thursday, State Minister for Local Government Mir Shah Alam announced the mega project.
উত্তরাঞ্চলের প্রথম বিমান বাহিনীর বিমান ঘাঁটি ইতিমধ্যে অনুমোদিত হয়েছে এবং বাংলাদেশ বিমান বাহিনীর বহরে নতুন যে যুদ্ধ বিমানগুলি আসবে সেটি ওই বগুড়ার এয়ারপোর্টের সাথেই বিমান ঘাঁটির বহরে সংযুক্ত হবে এবং গতকাল মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী সংসদে তার প্রশ্ন উত্তরে বলেছেন যে আমরা যে ড্রোনের যে ইন্ডাস্ট্রি হবে তুর্কির সাথে যে জয়েন্ট ভেঞ্চারে এটার ফ্যাক্টরি বা ইন্ডাস্ট্রিও বগুড়া ওই বিমান ঘাঁটির সাথেই হবে।
The drone manufacturing plant will not be built in a remote location. Instead, it will be established right next to the under-construction Bogora International Airport. For many years, there has been a strong demand to upgrade Bogora Airport to international standards. That long-standing aspiration is now moving toward reality as the airport is being modernized while a dedicated drone hub is simultaneously being developed beside it. To enhance security in the northern region, the government is also establishing the Bangladesh Air Force's first airbase there. Having already received government approval, the strategically important installation is expected to serve as a key military asset. In the future, newly acquired and advanced fighter aircraft are planned to be deployed at this base, significantly strengthening the region's air defense capabilities. Bogora Airport has a long history. Originally built during the Pakistan era, efforts to upgrade it into an international airport were undertaken during the administrations of former President Ziaur Rahman and former Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia. However, due to various political challenges, those initiatives never materialized. After overcoming years of obstacles, the long-cherished dream of the people of Bogora now appears to be on the verge of becoming a reality.